Hello, welcome. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about for of and for in loops. Now we will discuss about while loop in JavaScript. Let me open the Visual Studio Code. Let me create a new file, while loop.js. While loop is used when we do not know the number of iterations in advance. Repeat the block as long as certain condition is true. Also, we do not know number of iterations in advance. For example, let me say let country S is equal to, I will declare the array here USA, Canada, UK, India, Singapore, something like this. And I will declare one more variable, let I is equal to 0. And I want to continue running the loop as long as I do not find India in the given array. Then I can write a while loop. I do not know how many iterations I need to run, but I want to find this particular country name, India. Then I can write a while loop here, while country S of I not equal to India. Then I want to print console.log country S of I. Increment here I plus plus. I will increment, I will search for next country. It means it should print until it finds India. For example, it should print one USA, Canada, UK, and as long as it finds India, it should stop running. Let me run this program and let us verify. Node while loop.js. You can see here it has printed USA, Canada, and UK. As long as it found India, it stopped. Similarly, if I give Canada here, it will only print this one, because as soon as it finds this Canada, it will stop the loop here. Let me run and verify. You can see here, this time it printed only USA. Like this, you want to run a loop as long as certain condition is true, right? As long as this country is not equal to Canada, it is running here. If I change back to India, again it will print these three countries. See again here, right? So in this way you can run. Also, one more thing you need to remember here is, let us say I forgot to increment this condition here. Then what will happen? It will keep on running in infinite loop. Let me run this and verify. See here, it is keep on printing USA, right? Because we are not incrementing the condition here. So it's always checking I equal to 0. 0th position is USA here. It keeps on running in infinite loop. To end this infinite loop, you can press Ctrl C. So it will end the loop. You need to remember to increment or decrement the condition here within the while loop. Otherwise, it will run an infinite loop. So let me clear this and run again. See, this time it is printing these three countries, because as soon as it finds India, it will come out of this loop, because countries not equal to India, it will print. It will check here, first time not equal to India, print. Second time, again Canada, not equal to India, print. Third time, UK, it is not equal to India, print. Fourth time, countries equal to India, this condition becomes false. So it will stop printing and it will come out of the loop. So this is about the while loop in JavaScript. We will discuss the remaining loop in the next part. Thank you for watching.